TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and we have markets up in dramatic higher territory, basically near session highs right now. We're looking at a Dow Jones right now trading up 865, the futures, trading at 26,744. You have the NASDAQ right now up 258 points, trading at 8841. S&P's trading up 92 points at 3,089. I had to pause for a moment to make sure those numbers were correct. We're basically at 3 to 3+% across the board on those indices. I have a chart of the S&P up in here. The moves, you almost can't overstate how big this move has been. Since yesterday, we hit the spike higher on the surprise 50 basis point cut. The S&Ps trade to a high of 3137. By the afternoon, 4 hours later, we were 5.2% below the high of the day, trading at 2973. You then trade up 2%. To a high at around 3 o'clock of 3,039. You finish the day back down another 2%. The low there, 2976. And now we're up about 4% from those numbers to 3,086. The high about 6 points higher, 3,092. Just made in about the last 15 minutes on the S&P. So to recap, just from that spike high on the Fed, down 5%, up 2%, down 2%, up 4% in the span of about 26 hours. Pretty remarkable. Jumping over the VIX as we start things off. The VIX backing down to 31.21 as this market charges higher. Checking in on the oil contract, currently trading at $47. Crude had been above 48 earlier in the day. We were as low about just after noon, that low 46.65. We're back with a 46 handle as we speak. Gold contract, currently trading 1638, quite a pop higher in gold yesterday. We reach a high last night in gold of 1654, currently trading 1638. And checking in on the price of those notes and bonds, the 10-year, quite a print we got yesterday. 0.92%, the yield on that 10-year, pretty remarkable. We're currently sitting 136 right there, up about 8 ticks on the session. Jumping over to the other charts, we'll start things off with the indices as we wrap this up. There's your there's your S&P right near highs, your NASDAQ 100 at 8817, and the Dow 30, 26,669. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, right near market session highs. Stay tuned, folks. Dave White coming up live at 2 o'clock. Tom O'Brien live at 3. We'll be right back.